Story time: The Bird and the Wise Ant. Let's learn the characters of our story. The ant was wise and very hard-working. The ant always planned for its future. The bird was fun-loving, loved to sing and dance, and was lazy and never ever planned for the future. The Bird and the Wise Ant. Once a bird and an ant lived on a big tree. Every morning, Wise Ant went out in search of food and filled its food store a little. One day, the bird asked, "Why do you store food, dear ant? It's springtime and food is in abundance." "When the winter comes, there will be only snow and no food," replied the ant. The lazy bird did not bother and continued wasting time singing and flying. Soon winter arrived and snow covered the land. The ant who had stored food ate merrily. The bird was cold and hungry. She could not find even a twig. Moral of the story: there's a time for work and a time for play. The Bird and the Wise Ant.